Question day. Have you been thinking to shave off your mind? Have you been thinking about shave off? Est-ce que vous avez déjà pensé, une suspicion à vous raser le cerveau? Est-ce que sometimes you think about, you can imagine anything, you know, you take your, vous prenez votre cerveau, puis vous le rasez à blanc. Ça vous est déjà arrivé? Have you been thinking about that one time? Have you been thinking about raser votre cerveau à blanc? Ça vous est déjà arrivé de raser votre cerveau à blanc? Let's try to shave off your mind. Il y en a qui n'ont pas du tout été au Congo là, pas du tout. Il y en a qui n'ont pas été au Congo du tout, puis qui ne méritent pas d'y aller. Have you been thinking about the shave off your mind, the shave off your intelligence, shave off all positive ways you can think about anything, about something, about anyone, about someone, you know? Have you been thinking about shave off all positive things and only be a part of a whole, of a trou? Have you been thinking about raser à blanc tout ce qui pourrait être positif dans la vie des human beings and only be a part of un trou des enfers? Have you been thinking about that? Marche, gauche, droite, gauche, droite, gauche, droite, en avant, en arrière, sur le côté. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Tu fais la loutre, tu fais le peintre, tu fais le truc, tu fais le crack. Have you been thinking about Rolexes? Have you been thinking about stupid people? Have you been thinking about la peau de mes couilles? Have you been thinking about zéro héros? 1, 2, 3. Have you been thinking about kick? 1 kick. Have you been thinking about 2 kick? 3 kicks. Have you been thinking about la peau de mes couilles? Have you been thinking about poufias? Have you been thinking about some people who don't are autosuffisant for their human beings and they have to écraser la peau de mes couilles? Have you been thinking about that? Huh? I suggest you to think about la peau de mes couilles. Après, vous mettez un peu de haine dans vos culs et ça ira mieux. Dédicace, Rimo Big Girl.